Morning, all my friends. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Nelson Lam. I'm from Muzang, Newton Institute. Today, I will going to talk about one story of the Buddha teachings. The title is the Fog and the Odor. Long ago, had two odors. The one odor is live in the deep river, and next one odor is live near to the river. And one day, the odor live in the river catch the big fish, and the big fish is really strong, and it can catch only himself. And he remember, oh, I have one friend, and go to call him, come to help me. And hey, my friend, can you help me to catch this fish? It's really strong. I can use myself. And okay, and they are held together and get the big fish, and then the have one fork fork wise want to eat the fast fish, and he try to find some fish, and he saw the odor saw the odor beating the back of the big fish, and he wake he was this damn short time, and then he one out awake one up and ask them, excuse me, do I need to help you? And the other is they ask themselves, hey, do I need we need to give him help us? I agree with you, because we can devise how to devise the best task of the fish, and the frog is come to devise fish into the three pieces, and he gave the head to the one odor, and give the thighs of neck one odor, and the frog is take the body of the fish and is ran away. And the odor is feeling sad, and they tell, because of can divide it, and tell the other person come to tell us. Now we are just get the cat and time. This title is want to tell us have two ways. The first way is want to ask don't be selfish, and the second is if we are problem, don't tell the other person come to help or come to divide, come to lessons. Is want to tell us this. Thank you for listening to me.